Hi everyone, Michael from Bling Tea. If you're looking to lighten up your tea game a little bit for the spring or the summer, you might want to try something that has a bit of a showstopper quality to it, like a ginseng oolong, and you'll be able to tell that when you take a look at the leaves. They don't look like leaves at all. They look like little rolled up little rocks, and that is a result of spring harvest oolong from China that has been rolled in stone milled ginseng. This tea steeps at about 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes, and this is what the leaves look like once they are steeped. They look quite different. They unfurl, become quite luscious. That's one of the showstopper qualities to ginseng oolong. The other one is the taste. Okay. The sweet and creamy quality of the ginseng is quite the complement to the floral quality of the oolong. This is quite a nice tea. You can re-steep it 2 or 3 times. I would just add a minute for each subsequent steep, but the ginseng adds just a little bit of energy to the oolong, which was a really lovely complement for a tea that is good for spring or summer or any time of year.